Okay, we're here doing a video of the Oliver 88 standard that has a weak battery, so we got a jump pack on it, but we're just going to demonstrate it going forward and reverse, and you can hear how nice it sounds. And we'll look at the oil pressure too. Tires have some weather checking, but they're all holding air, look real solid.
There's your engine oil pressure. It may be hard to see on camera, but it does move, it does work.
Nice oil pressure. Have you tried to engage the PTO?
Yes.
There you go. Okay. The lights aren't currently working, but they're all intact. And we got the side covers. They're in nice shape. They're over here. Nice shape. Tune it up? Not yet. No tune up. It's clean the contact points. That was it. Second time Audi has driven it. The steering look good, not too loose?
Oh, the steering feels nice and tight. It's really easy to turn.
Okay. How's the clutch?
The clutch feels pretty good.
Okay.
It was a little sticky at first, but I assume that's from it sitting up, but it seems to be getting better every time I use it.
All right, great. Yeah, it's been parked for several years, and that's about it. Give us a call at Tractor Town. Thank you.